Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple but powerful hand massage techniques that can help restore blood flow, rebalance your hormones, improve your sleep, and yes, bring back those strong, natural morning erections. Stay with me because the 3rd technique is the most overlooked, and it just might be the missing piece you've been searching for. But before we dive in, take a second to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? Your answer not only inspires me, but it helps build this community of men supporting each other. Now let's clear up one of the biggest myths I hear all the time. Doc, erections just disappear with age and there's nothing I can do about it. That's simply not true. Yes, testosterone gradually declines. Yes, blood vessels stiffen with age. Yes, stress and poor sleep can pile on, but your body is not broken. It's simply out of rhythm. And here's the good news. Your nervous system, your circulation, and your hormonal pathways can all be recalibrated. That's where these hand techniques come in, because your hands are more than just tools. They are maps of your nervous system, loaded with reflex points that connect directly to your circulation, your brain, and your hormone regulating centers. Stimulating these points consistently sends powerful signals through your nervous system that restore balance, improve blood flow, and reset your body's natural rhythms. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Nerita. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, confidence, and sexual health naturally. I've worked with men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, even into their 80s. And I've seen firsthand that the body still responds when you give it the right signals. So today, I'm going to guide you step by step through these 3 powerful hand massage points. Think of them as little switches you can flip to calm stress, boost blood flow, deepen your sleep, and help testosterone work the way it was always meant to. 1. The Lao Gong point, your circulation booster. Let's start with the Lao Gong point, also known as pericardium 8. I like to call this your heart center because it has an incredible influence on circulation and relaxation. Here's how to find it. Make a loose fist with your hand. Notice where the tip of your middle finger touches your palm. That spot is your Lao Gong point. Now press down with the thumb of your opposite hand. Apply firm but comfortable pressure and massage in small circles for about 1 to 2 minutes per hand. What happens when you do this? Biologically, stimulating Lao Gong increases microcirculation. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery, better energy, and yes, better erectile performance. Erections, after all, are fundamentally a blood flow event. Emotionally, men often describe this as a wave of calm washing over them. It reduces mental chatter, lowers anxiety, and helps release the tension you've been carrying. Practically, it's something you can do anywhere, sitting at your desk, before bed, or even in the morning to start the day with calm confidence. And here's the real gem. Over time, this point helps your blood vessels stay more flexible. That flexibility is the secret to stronger, more reliable erections. 2. The Sha Fu point, your emotional reset. Next up is the Sha Fu point, also known as Heart 8. I like to call this your little palace because it acts like a private retreat inside your palm, a sanctuary for emotional balance and deeper sleep. Here's how to find it. Make a loose fist again. This time, look at where your little finger touches your palm. Right beneath the knuckle of your pinky, in the soft part of your palm, is the Sha Fu point. Use your thumb to press and massage it gently for 1 to 2 minutes per hand. Biologically, this point calms your nervous system and helps lower stress hormones like cortisol. When cortisol stays high, testosterone stays low. But when you calm stress, testosterone has the environment it needs to thrive. Emotionally, this point helps release that tightness in the chest, the stress and worry that can quietly drain your vitality. Many men say they feel their breathing deepen as soon as they massage this spot. Practically, this is your bedtime reset button. Stimulating Sha Fu before bed tells your body, it's time to let go. It's time to rest. It's time to heal. And that healing sleep is absolutely critical. Remember, testosterone is mostly produced at night. Poor sleep is one of the silent killers of natural morning erections. So if you want to wake up with more energy, more drive, and more confidence, this point is non-negotiable. 3, the pineal reflex point, the reset switch. Now, gentlemen, if you've stayed with me this long, here's the one you've been waiting for. This third point is the most overlooked, and yet it holds the key to resetting your mornings. I call it the reset switch because it directly influences your sleep cycles, melatonin production, and ultimately your testosterone. Here's how to find it. Look at the pad of your thumb right in the center. That's the pineal reflex point. In fact, the pads of your other fingertips also connect to this reflex system. Here's what to do. Press gently into the center of your thumb pad. Massage in slow circles, 3 seconds clockwise, 3 seconds counterclockwise. Repeat on each fingertip, both hands for balance. Biologically, this activates the pineal gland, the master regulator of melatonin, your sleep hormone. And when your sleep is deep and consistent, testosterone rises naturally. Emotionally, men describe this point as grounding, almost like flipping a switch from stress to calm. Practically, this is the bridge between night and morning. Massage this point before bed, and you're likely to wake up with deeper rest, higher energy, and yes, the return of strong, natural morning erections. I had a patient named Harold, 68 years old, who told me he hadn't had a proper night's sleep in years. Within 3 weeks of using this reflex point, he came back to me with a big grin. "Doc, I'm finally sleeping like a rock, and I'll just say I'm waking up with a smile." That's the power of this overlooked switch. So how do you put this all together? Here's the simple routine. Morning, spend 5 minutes stimulating all 3 points: Lao Gong, Sha Fu, and pineal. This boosts circulation, calms stress, and sets your hormones up for the day. Evening, spend another 5 minutes before bed. This prepares your body for deep restorative sleep and resets your testosterone production. That's it. No pills, no gadgets, no complicated routine. Just your hands, your focus, and your consistency. Stay with it for at least 2 weeks. Many men notice better sleep within days and stronger erections within a couple of weeks as the body recalibrates. Now, I want to pause here. If you've been struggling with fading energy, weaker erections, or feeling disconnected from yourself, please know this: you are not broken. This isn't about age taking something away from you. It's about giving your body the signals it needs to do what it was designed to do. And the beauty of these hand massage techniques is that they don't just improve intimacy. They restore calm, confidence, and a deeper sense of control over your own health. Because when you sleep well, when your hormones are balanced, when your circulation is flowing, life feels brighter, relationships feel stronger, and your mornings feel like new beginnings again. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, before bed, try these 3 techniques. Do them again tomorrow morning. And commit to just 2 weeks of consistency. You'll be amazed at what your body can do when you give it this kind of natural, gentle support. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the 3 points are you most excited to try? Lao Gong for circulation, Sha Fu for emotional reset, or the pineal reflex, the reset switch for your hormones? Tell me in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a brother, a friend, or any man who needs hope and practical tools to restore his vitality. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Every week, I share science-backed strategies to help men over 50 reclaim strength, confidence, and joy.